Itanong mo sa akin kung sinong aking mahal. Itanong mo sa
Hi, love. This is it. The day we've been waiting for. 5 months na plinano natin. Puyat, pagod, kasi nga wala ka, LDR tayo, nasa Dubai ka.
Dear love, on this day, we get to seal our love in front of God and with our loved ones. There are times that we don't really understand each other, but I promise you that I will always be by your side. I promise to love you, honor you, and cherish you.
This is the day that we pour so much time and effort to. Thank you for your patience. No, alam ko hindi ako ganun kadali to deal with. But thank you for your patience. Know that I am and will always be proud of you. Sa lahat ng hard work mo, dedication mo to provide not only for me but for our family.
Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan. Ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman. Nais ko sana sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, sa silangan, kahit san pa man.
I promise I will try my best to be the best wife that you deserve. Hindi ko may papangako na magiging perfect ako na wife, but I promise to be the best wife that you deserve.
Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman. Nais ko sana o sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, sa silangan, at kahit saan pa man ang aking isisigaw. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Mahal, 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 mahal.
I did risk the work that I prayed for, the work that I applied for, no? Yung pinaghirapan kong makamit na trabaho, iniwan ko just to be with you, just like how you wanted us to be together, no? Kung saan ka, dun ako. Alam ko hindi magiging madali yung pagdadaanan natin, pero alam kong kakayanin natin kasi you have so much patience on me.
Panibagong yugto ni biye mong misawa nga doang gab, hindi ka masyadong agida kaya. Balo ko namang agyu yun na. Ngayon, nung no ka rin kayo man miswerting misawa, siyempre, tiyo kami mo kaya ning makaantabe.
Sa ako naman, yung sabi ko kay
Alimero.
may katalimuan.
Balo mo na eh.
Ano na, at saka yung sabi ko mo, kung naring buri ng God, supportan mo. Ipag-suporta kayo. Kung na naman yung kailangan, yung isaw, suway dedicated.
Gcash.
Kita mo, sa
God, more blessings sa'yo dahil nandiyan ka na. Always lagi kang be healthy, lagi kang mapasalamat kay Lord, lagi kang binibless, laging work, lahat, makukuha mo lahat ang gusto mo hanggat lagi ka nagdadasal?
Gabriel, wag kang magbabago. Gabriel is a good man. Sana hindi ka magbabago. Be responsible and love your wife.
Ako'y papalapit na giliw. Parating ng dapit hapon. At kay sarap umuwi sa'yo.
Your bag. Thank you, Blessy, for giving me this gift on our special day.
Tadaan! Wow! Sasanla ba to? Necklace and ring. Thank you, nasasanla! Kapag naubusan ng budget, meron tayong sasanla. Thank you, love, sa binigay mo.
Pagmamahalan kayo sa hirap at gitna sa karamdaman at kalusugan. The essence of love is to will the good of the other.
You are one of the most selfless person I know. May we never get tired of choosing each other every day. I love you today and every day.
Yung patience mo, talagang sobrang haba ng pasensya mo sa akin. Sana sa mga susunod pang araw, mas habaan mo pa yung pasensya mo. And I promise that I will understand you more. No? At mas makikinig ako sa side mo. Yun lang, and I love you so much.
Ikaw lang patutunguhan. Saan man maglaya.
The age of staying together is for you, John and Blessing, to be happy. And happiness means having the person you desire. Kayo ay nagpapakasal because you have realized that you are both desirable to each other and you wanted to be united together. Panatilihin ninyo ito. Keep the joy and the flame of your desire for each other alive in your marriage.
Pagdating sa'yo ko lang sasabihin. Kay palad na ikaw ang kapiling sa mga along nagdaan.